Welcome back, guys. We will be discussing about the definition of data engineer in this discussion, why this role is important, and what are the expectations out of a data engineer in a project. So, as you can see over here, by definition, this is the official definition published by uh, Google on the certification guide page. The link is given over here, as you can see. So, professional data engineers enable data driven decision making by collecting, transforming, and publishing the data. So these are the four key ingredients that comes under the purview of data engineer roles and responsibilities, as you can see. So designing a data processing system, that means selecting the appropriate storage technologies, keeping into the consideration what are the business requirements, what kind of data modeling fits in a particular business requirement, what kind of storage systems will be fitting the best, right, to store data from business, right? And then designing data pipelines, designing a overall data processing solution. And if there is a existing data warehouse or a data processing solution, let's say if there is an on-premise data warehouse and we need to move it onto Google Cloud Platform. So what are the considerations that has to be taken? So these comes under the purview of designing data processing system, and then building and operationalizing the data processing system. Once the design is done, how to operationalize that system. So that involved the operationalization of storage systems, the pipelines, and overall processing infrastructure. So this again comes under the purview of data engineer roles and responsibilities. And then the ML space as well. So this is, as per the Google definition of a professional data engineer, or she should be aware, should have the knowledge to operationalize machine learning models, making use of pre-built ML models as service like cloud API, cloud vision APIs, right? Should be able to use those and should be able to deploy an ML pipeline, should be able to choose appropriate training and serving infrastructure, monitoring, measuring, troubleshooting ML models. So these again comes under the purview of data engineer. Then solution quality goes on top of all these three aspects. So designing for security and compliance in mind, keeping all the considerations in mind, giving the best security and compliance as per the business, right? And scalability and efficiency, reliability, fidelity, right? Flexibility and portability of your data solution. So these are the key ingredients that comes under the solution quality. So whatever points I have covered over here, they are available as you can see over this link. So we will go to that link as well, as you can see. So this is the official definition and elaborate definition given by Google for data engineer, right? So as you can see, all the points are clearly defined, that gives clear picture of the key roles and responsibility of a data engineer, right? Thank you guys. We will be starting with the detailed course now. See you in the next discussion. Thank you.